Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today's quick video, I am just going to tell you some information that I received from a CA here in Houston and some more information that I want my besties to watch out for and not to fall for this, okay? Please don't fall for it. But before we get started, make sure you view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that I have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
Okay, so besties, I do have my phone. I am not going to go into details because I'm very, very appreciative when CAs out the blue just contact me. I don't care how they contact me, how they got my information. It's just good to be in the know on things and just for them to check on me to see if I need anything. And like I said, I don't even purchase like that. So for them to contact me, like, it's an honor. I'm not bragging, okay? So I'm just being honest. And I get the information and bring it back to you guys anyway. So hey, chill out. Let me do my thing, okay? So I was sitting down, like I said, minding my business. For the multicolor collection, I was kind of going both ways with it. I didn't know exactly what I wanted. You guys know how I am about pre-orders. A white handbag for me is just like being the dumbest thing I could ever do is to purchase a white handbag. I'm being honest. With this collection, if I went the color white route, it would have just been for me to collect the handbag. Just for me to say, hey, I got the handbag. I probably honestly would have used that handbag once or twice in a year. Maybe not even that. Probably just to unbox and show you guys, and that's just really not a smart move at all. I am just not good with white handbags, and that's just me being honest. Any light handbags, that's why I'm like that with the Damier Azur print, okay? Now the black is honestly for me would have been the smart move, but what I didn't like is the silver hardware. I'm very, very picky on my handbags and the type of hardware, the color hardware. You guys should know this. When I describe handbags and I go into deep details, I always speak on the hardware. Yes, I am a gold hardware lover by heart. You guys know this. But some handbags do look good with silver hardware. And I tell you guys this and be honest. But with this, I think LV just honestly missed the mark. It should have been gold all across the board. Even on the SLGs, LV should have just went straight gold. Only my opinion, okay? Only my opinion. So for this collection, I went the vintage route. Okay, I went the vintage route. It was hard for me because I honestly like my handbags to be new. That's just me. I love new handbags. I love being the first one to hold it, care for it, unbox it, all of that good stuff. But with this collection, I just couldn't do it with the silver hardware. If I would have went and picked out a bag, it most definitely would have been the black Speedy 30 Soft. That to me was the hottest handbag in the entire collection. So if you scored it, kudos to you. I just wanted gold hardware, so I couldn't do it. And everything that I have mostly is with gold hardware. So for paying that amount of money, it had to be something that I was going to use and like, okay? But let's get into the details. So like I said, I was just sitting down minding my business. I was working. I was actually also working and conversating with a bestie in my inbox, and she's looking for a belt, okay? If I take anything from the collection, it most definitely would be a black belt, but it have to be with gold hardware. So guys, a CA reached out to me, text message, guys, this is out the blue, and told me another CA told them to contact me to see if I wanted anything from this collection. in Houston, the Houston Galleria. And I'm like, oh my goodness. I was honestly going to just make up something. Just make up something to purchase. Just so I can go in and actually see and just record videos for you guys. That was it. And he asked me just to send him a few pieces. Guys, when he texts that, it let me know that these items are not sold out. For him to text me, I did not reach out to this man. He texted me and I told him, I say, well, the Armor BB, I just sent them like the most popular thing. I was like, the Armor BB, maybe, you know, later down the line, maybe I can get my daughter to like this collection, like LV. And he was like, is that it? Can you send me pictures of all the things that you want? So guys, I honestly just started sending pictures, SLGs, everything. And he said, okay. He said, Marquita, give me a moment. I'm like, how in the heck did this man reach out to me, this CA, as busy and, I mean, as sought out this collection is, for him to contact me and ask if there's anything I want? I actually named one thing. He told me to send pictures, and that's what I did. I just started sending things. He said, Marquita is very busy in here. You know what? I'm going to show him. He said, Marquita is very busy in here if you can just give me a chance. At this time, I was like, cool, because I really didn't even care. I honestly just didn't really care. I just wanted to see what I can get or show you guys and tell you, hey, hurry up and get to Houston Galleria and purchase. And so time went by. I was speaking with the bestie, and she actually is looking for a belt, okay? And so I said, you know what? I'm going to ask this CA, because he had stopped texting. I'm going to ask the CA, do they have any belts? So I asked him, do he have a belt? And I asked the size. Guys, I'm going to show you this short message, okay? This right here lets me know I think it's going to be a second wave. I think it's going to be a second wave. They screwed up with the first so bad. And I'm going to tell you about that as well. This is what he said. I'm sorry. We got so busy, and I'm going to check for you tomorrow. This is me asking about the belt, and I'm assuming he's speaking about the other items that I sent. He said, it's not sold out. They just didn't release it all. So, will become available as the days progress. Guys, I think they know they messed up. I think they are letting this die down, and it is going to be a second wave. This is just me guessing. And I said, on the website, or should I wait on you to confirm at the boutique? I am wanting to know. Like I said, I'm digging for details. Like, this collection for me is not that big in height, because it's just not my style. But like I said, I rather go the vintage way. And I'm actually in works right now. Finally found a good, decent looking bag without the vachetta looking all oily and tore up. Again, this lets me know it's going to be a second wave. I think it's going to be a second wave. So guys, hang tight. Hang tight. I don't think it's over with. I think they are going to hit us with something different, okay? So I wanted to put that out there. The second thing, it's a total mess. I have people reaching out to me like, Marquita, I went online, I was able to order, but there was a glitch in the system. It shows in my account that 2 of the same items are shipping to me. And I'm like, what? They didn't want to cancel one of the items because they were afraid that both handbags would be canceled. So their card was charged twice. 2 items are shipping, the same items are shipping to them. That's a shortage right there. I mean, the website was just overloaded, guys. This was just a total screw up. LV was so unprepared for this rush. They should have known. This should have been planned. They should have had more people on board. Basically, whatever they had manufactured and ready, they should have just put it on the website. Stop holding back. They shouldn't have sent all these influencers free bags. The VIC, guys, no complaints, but it should have been a certain amount, because some of the VIC items are being canceled as well. I just think they didn't have the countdown. They gave away too many free products. I mean, it's crazy. It's insane. So you have people that are being charged twice on their credit cards. They're receiving 2 bags, some of them 3 bags, and now they are stuck. Like, should I sell this item? Should I send this item back? It shows, you know, 2 item shipping. They don't want to call client services to cancel because they think both items are going to be canceled. So guys, this is a total mess. I don't even think, like you said, like some of you guys are saying, I don't think it's sold out. Just like this CA said, it's just busy right now. LV was so unprepared for this rush. It just needs time to settle down. And I need for you guys that are interested, settle down. Be patient. It's no rush. It's no rush at all. I would rather for you guys to be patient and be able to order in the boutique, order from your CA, order online, than to do this. Let me show you. I do not want to catch any of my besties doing this. Do you see these prices? Did not tell you guys in another video. I said they're going to be consignment shop owners that are VICs or regular VIC clients purchasing these items, going to eBay and marking them up. This is ridiculous, guys. Be patient. Don't let me find out that any of my besties went this route. You better not be paying $7,000, $10,000. I'm even going to say $5,000, guys, on certain handbags. You should not be paying over $2,000 over the retail price, okay? It should not be that. It should not come to this. Be patient. Wait it out. Like I said, I still think it's going to be a chance. For some reason, this text message confirms a lot. He didn't go into detail. Maybe because, like I said, I'm new. We are new getting connected. Like I said, this man texts out the blue. I don't know anything about him, okay? I just know he was trying to assist me, like, in the best way possible. Like, please tell me what you want. I'm trying to get in. I don't even know why. But whatever I receive from him, I'm going to send him another text message because I'm going to try to help that bestie get that built. And I'm going to come back and give you guys and share with you guys. But just don't let this be you. It's not worth it. I mean, this right here, guys, this is, I would say, 2 acres of land. I can help you find for this price, okay? So let's not do this at all. We're not going this route, bestie. So I just want to give you guys an update. First update, guys, please just be patient, okay? Just be patient. And I also want to let you guys know that I just have a feeling that we are going to get another wave for the multicolor collection, okay? So guys, it's just so much going on. Like, I can't say, but it's so much going on. Guys, just hang tight. Let's talk. You guys know how we do. Let's talk in the comments. Let me know how you feel. And for those that ordered the glitch multiple handbags, do what you want. If you want to resell, do that. I can't tell you how to price it. It's up to you guys. You have 30 days to decide. Either you're going to send those handbags back so other people can get their hands on it, or you are going to resell, or basically just keep the handbag. But like I said, you know, you have 30 days. Bring in the receipt, however you want to do it. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Like I said, let's chit chat in the comments. As always, stay safe, stay blessed until next video. And yes, I am going to constantly update with any information that I received. Stay blessed, besties. And again, Happy New Year. Bye-bye.